Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap your characters or swap your sides, and for the personal readings the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Aquarians. So on your side we have the King of Cups. Okay, let's see what are the energies of the person you are dealing with. Okay, we have the King of Wands. Okay, the most likely outcome, Three of Cups. Okay, so as far as you, both of you are concerned, I think both of you are at the same page. Both of you are emotionally mature, emotionally content and stable. This person is also in a very good position. They are attractive, they're good to look at, very, very confident. Both of you with the Three of Cups, I think both of you are spending good time together, enjoying partying. Let's explore and let's clarify this King of Cups, what it is. Oof. So with the King of Cups we have the Devil, the Two of Swords, the King of Cups once again. Okay, and the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, with the Moon. So many court cards. Dealing with so many people or what? Many people interfering. I don't know. Let's see. Let's clarify this King of Wands. Let's clarify the King of Wands on your person side. So on your person side, we have the Tower, the Hierophant, Ten of Wands. Okay, Death and Rebirth. Oh, this is something. Are we dealing with the love triangle here? That's what I said. The three of you're partying and enjoying, but are we dealing with the love triangle out here, Aquarians? Okay, let's clarify the Three of Cups. So for the Three of Cups, we have again the Ten of Swords, the King of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups. Okay. Magician. So Aquarius, what I feel here is with the King of Cups, for the King of Cups, we have the Devil, the Two of Swords, again the King of Cups, Ten of Pentacles and the Moon. So what I feel here is, seeing the entire scenario, maybe at least some of you are dealing with the love triangle, first of all. But for others of you, what I feel is there is something which is going on in a commitment or in this relationship over here. There is something negative or something which needs to be corrected over here. Okay, and this person, you are trying to make up your mind over, though there are a lot of emotions, definitely. Maybe it can be that you love this person so much that you're not able to take a decision. It can be that also, because the Devil is coming up with the Two of Swords. So there is a decision which you want to take. There is a decision which you're wanting to take, and it's regarding the relationship. Maybe there is a lot of love, and that is why you are not able to take any harsh decision. You want to take a balanced decision, but maybe there is some lack of clarity also in the situation, because of which you are not able to come to a conclusion. So you are trying to view the situation more. You are trying to just visualize the situation more. Maybe you want some more truth, or you want something else to come up, or some more message to be delivered to you. Maybe you want some more clarity before making a decision, but it's like you want to make, there is a lot of love. This is a long-term, stable, committed relationship over here. So maybe there is a lot of love which is making the decision tough. It can be that, or maybe there is something which is going on in this relationship with the devil and the two of swords, which is hampering, or which is affecting this relationship. But the thing is that you want to take a decision, but you are not able to. Okay, for on your person side, we have, for the King of Wands, we have the Tower, the Hierophant, the Ten of Wands, the Death and Rebirth, and the Page of Wands. So again, what I feel is there is something which is affecting the commitment over here. It is with the Tower being there, is something unexpected has happened in this relationship over here. And because of that, the Ten of Wands, the Death and Rebirth, and the Page of Wands, what I feel is somebody is exiting and quitting this relationship. That's what I feel. And it is coming up unexpectedly. So it can be a love triangle. That's what I'm saying. Maybe one of you have to move out, whosoever it is. I don't know. So there is something which is shaking up the foundation of this relationship. One of you, and this person exits, wants to move out, or decides to move out. But then we have the change is coming in, and we have the Page of Wands, which is definitely talking about new beginning here. For the Three of Cups, we have the Ten of Swords, King of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, and the Magician. So what I feel here is somebody has to quit, somebody has to leave, somebody is ready to leave for a new beginning. I don't know if it is a third party or a love triangle, then somebody has to make a move for a new beginning, whosoever it is. And that is the decision which has to be taken. Let's see what's the message here. Practice compassion. Number 15 may be of some significance. You see things from a fresh perspective. So maybe you need to see things from the fresh perspective before taking a decision, because we do have the moon there. So maybe that is something which is, it can be something which you really don't know exactly, and maybe you're just perceiving it that way. So Aquarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.